Endless bones and eerie lies. Rise the spooks of every size. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and wake. Heavy hunts the trees and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. As the moon climbs high on the dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Start to shriek and harmonize. Grim grinning ghosts come out and socialize.
Welcome, my friends, to the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy haunts and I are ready to materialize for a spooktacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween.
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat till the neighbor's gonna die of fright. In this world we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin soul.
And now, our disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary okie. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along.
We're just some poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. Poor unfortunate souls. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. To see her is to take a sudden chill. Cruella, Cruella de Vil. She's like a spider waiting for the kill. Look out for Cruella.
Happy Halloween, darlings!
Why, he wish. So glad you could plop in.
This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. The Lucas of Rugacum winds of the Caspian Sea. Your Princess Lycidas smacks laryngitis, the voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing! Yes! Oh, we weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. Listen up, sweet lips. I'll give you all a little treat. Next year you'll be dressing like me. Fortunate girl.
Trick or treat! It is I, Car. I'm sure you wouldn't dream of stopping the fun without me.
Why, you're dead right.
Well then, let me treat you all to a little sorcery in the sky. That's amazing. Man, you call that magic? Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, 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 what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you'd better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the Boogie Man. Hey! I say Boogie Boogie! I say Boogie Boogie! I say Boogie 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 Boo! I say Boogie 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 Boo! Whoa! Whoa! So I'm the Boogie Boogie Man! Oh, yeah! Well, all right! Ooh! It's so scary!
And now, to end our ghostly gathering, we invite you to partake in our favorite Halloween tradition, the Scream-Along. Any volunteers? Just scream like you're trying to wake the dead!
This is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Everybody scream! Everybody scream! When the roof goes creak and the drums go squeak, materialize and begin to vocalize.
haunts want to thank you for